Kurinji Senior Secondary School, CBSE, Namakkal.
Successful result producing school in state every year.
Administered by the Board of Directors with over 35 years of experience in the teaching field.
Special attention on art, craft, music, dance, silambam, yoga, skating and karate.
Focus on Hindi Sabha and Spell Bee Olympiad exams.
Smart class for effective and innovative learning and well-furnished library.
Solitary importance on sports and games in state and national level.
WhatsApp facilities to know activities of students and school inside the campus.
NEET, JEE, IIT coaching experts from Rajasthan and Andhra Pradesh along with our effective teachers.
Admission registration for classes LKG to +2.
Kurinji Educational Institution, Kavetipatti, Namakkal. Admission in progress. CBSE, KG to 12, contact 9025895176. Metric 6 to 12, contact 9344567484. For online admission, log on to www.kurinjischoolnkl.in.
Students, now in this video we will discuss regarding photorespiration. So we will have the information on photorespiration. So complete information and the detailed information of photorespiration particle. Now photorespiration. To understand the photorespiration, we have to know a little bit of more about the first step of Calvin cycle. So here this one I can give through voice also, but so what is the point we are going to concentrate on? So that one we need to find out. So we need to concentrate. That's why even introduction information also I have given. So means when we are going to study about the photorespiration, so little bit more information we have to discuss on the Calvin cycle. Okay, Calvin cycle. So why, sir, Calvin cycle? Why Calvin cycle? First step we have to discuss means, did you remember? So Calvin cycle, 3 steps are there. First step name is carboxylation, isn't it? So now we have to focus on the carboxylation to understand the what is photorespiration. Okay, so in the time now what we have seen, so this is a reaction where ReBP combines with carbon dioxide. In this reaction, so definitely what is happening, where ReBP combines with carbon dioxide to form 2 molecules of phosphoglyceric acid. Okay, so now phosphoglyceric acid also 3 carbon compound now, so PGA you can write over there. Okay, about 2 molecules of a PGA formation takes place when carbon dioxide is received by the or combined with the ribulose 1,5 bisphosphate with the help of Rubisco enzyme. Okay, so that's why here what we have written. So in this particular reaction, ReBP combines with the carbon dioxide and 2 molecules of a PGA formation takes place, and this entire process is catalyzed by the Rubisco enzyme. So this entire process is catalyzed by the Rubisco enzyme. So later, if you see that the particular Calvin cycle by one sequence, simply here we can be taken like this. So ReBP plus ReBP means ribulose 1,5 bisphosphate plus carbon dioxide. So in the presence of Rubisco enzyme, 2 molecules of 3-PGA. 2 molecules of 3-PGA is formed. So now the Calvin cycle, in previous video how we have studied the entire board we have used for the study of Calvin cycle now, but here just one point that we are going to concentrate, that is up to the carboxylation. No, there what we have to concentrate up to the formation of PGA. Carboxylation process one step only, no. So in one step only we will see the involvement of Rubisco enzyme. Sir, why, sir, we are taking only first step means just we need to study about the activity of Rubisco enzyme. The activity of Rubisco enzyme. Why means the Rubisco enzyme, here one important technical point of Rubisco enzyme is this Rubisco enzyme, it can act as or it can involve in carboxylation reactions as well as it can involve in oxidation reactions. So that's why when we are going to observe the Rubisco enzyme full form, ribulose 1,5 bisphosphate, carboxylase and oxygenase, isn't it? If carboxylase means it can act as carboxylase as well as it can act as oxygenase. So when this particular Rubisco can act as carboxylase means in atmosphere, suppose if the carbon dioxide levels are more, so Rubisco switch on as carboxylase enzyme. Suppose in atmosphere oxygen levels are more, means at the time or oxygen concentration is more, at the time it acts as oxygenase enzyme. I hope you understood this one. So same point only, now let us discuss by one more time. Rubisco, that is the most abundant enzyme in the world, world. So it is characterized by the fact that is active site can combine with the both CO2 and O2. So means here why we have written active site? It is an enzyme. Rubisco is an enzyme. No, enzyme means definitely it will have active site. So for the binding of a substrate. So in a mineral nutrition point of view, in a mineral nutrition chapter, nitrogenase enzyme, while taking of a nitrogenase enzyme, so I have told you, so in a nitrogenase enzyme active sites are there. Likewise, even we have discussed particularly about the enzymes also in biomolecules. So tertiary type of or tertiary structure of a protein, so which is essential for the or which is involved in the formation of enzymes, we have told you, we learned. So there some kind of crevices, so crevices helps to the formation of active site of an enzyme. So in that particular case, what is the point now I am going to give you is, so Rubisco, it can act as carboxylase enzyme as well as it can act as oxygenase enzyme. So means whether it is acting as carboxylase or oxygenase mainly depends on the availability of the gases or availability of the two types of gases. If carbon dioxide levels are more means, now you can give the answer. Suppose if the carbon dioxide levels are more means, Rubisco enzyme it can act as ribulose 1,5-bisphosphate carboxylase. Suppose here the oxygen levels are more means it will act as ribulose 1,5-bisphosphate oxygenase. Point you understood? So that is the point mainly we have to understand more and more. Okay, ipo the relative concentration of oxygen and the carbon dioxide that determines which of the two will bind to the enzyme. Okay, point you understood? The relative concentration, suppose oxygen adigamana, so that particular oxygen so it will go and binds to the active site of an enzyme. Suppose if the relative concentration carbon dioxide is more means, that carbon dioxide will go and binds to the Rubisco enzyme's active site. So thereby, so the activity of the Rubisco enzyme mainly depends on the concentration of these two gases. So which one will be more concentration of that one will go and binds to the active site of an enzyme. So thereby the enzyme activity will be changed according to the concentration of the gases. I hope you understood now. Okay, now in C3 plants, some O2 oxygen does binds to the Rubisco and hence carbon dioxide fixation is decreased. One more time. In C3 plants we see no Calvin cycle we see no ange. So Rubisco enzyme is there, likewise we see no. So in the present when this particular process Calvin cycle is going on, so some amounts of oxygen, some amount of oxygen molecules will go and binds to the Rubisco. Okay, means the carbon fixation is going on and sometimes no, even oxygen also will go and binds to the Rubisco enzyme. At the time, hence CO2 fixation means here the carbon dioxide fixation is decreased. The carbon dioxide fixation is decreased. Hence, RUBP instead of being converted into two molecules of PGA binds with oxygen to form one molecule of phosphoglycerate and one molecule of phosphoglycolate. So that's why this particular pathway we will be taking as photorespiration. Students, once you see, suppose here the carbon dioxide levels are there. If a carbon dioxide levels are more, RUBP so definitely receives the carbon dioxide and in the presence of Rubisco enzyme, two molecules of 3-phosphoglyceric acid formation takes place. But when PGA binds with oxygen to form one molecule of so here what is going to be formed? One phosphoglyceric acid. Here RUBP, once you see here, RUBP instead of being converted to the 2 molecules of PGA, means here actually RUBP by receiving of carbon dioxide, 2 molecules of PGA should be formed. But here what is happening, when RUBP, when it is receiving the when it is receiving the oxygen, at the time the Rubisco enzyme acts as oxygen is at the time 1 molecule of phosphoglycerate formation and 1 molecule of phosphoglycolate formation takes place instead of a formation of 2 molecules of 3-PGA. Simple one illa ipo carbon dioxide levels or more, 2 molecules of PGA formation takes place. Suppose if oxygen levels are more means instead point remember pannuko, instead of a formation of 2 molecules of 3-PGA, 1 molecule of 3-PGA formation and 1 molecule of phosphoglycolate form. So means here if you see there instead of a formation of 2 phosphoglyceric acids, 1 phosphoglyceric acid and 1 phosphoglycolic acid or phosphoglycolate formation. So suppose here 1 phosphoglycerate and 1 phosphoglycolate formation takes place means, so that particular pathway we will be taking as photorespiration. Means once you observe the term here, photorespiration means the respiration which occurs in the presence of light, the photorespiration. So now in the photorespiration pathway, respiratory pathway, there is no synthesis of ATP and NADPH. Actually if respiration which occurs in the presence of light, generally respiration process definitely there is a chance for the definitely, so ATP molecules must be released. Respiration, suppose here we are having food, we are eating food, so by the process of respiration we are sending the oxygen molecules so into the body, so thereby so food molecules oxidize, so energy varum. So now here, but here even though it is a name point of view, it is a respiration which occurs in the line, but there is no chance to the synthesis of ATP as well as NADPH. So there in photorespiration there is no response or there is no synthesis of ATP as well as NADPH. Later in C4 plants, photorespiration does not occur. This is the important point. So I told you already. So in a comparison between the C3 plants and C4 plants, so C4 plants are having of more efficiency in terms of fixation as well as in utilization of the water. Okay, so that's why here what is the point, C4 plants of photorespiration or in C4 plants, so there is no the process of photorespiration. Okay, sir, why sir? Reasons means, so in C4 cycle I have given, but here also one more time I will give you. So let us move forward to discuss the information. Now this is because they have a mechanism that increases the concentration of CO2. So once you see, so in a C4 plants, why sir the process of photorespiration will not be takes place means, if photorespiration process will be switched on, suppose if oxygen levels are more, at the time photorespiration will be switched on. But in a C4 plants, so they have a specialized mechanism to increase the carbon dioxide levels or to increase the concentration of CO2. At the time, how the process of photorespiration will be switched on? No chance, no. If process of photorespiration only will be switched on in presence of oxygen. But here in C4 plants carbon dioxide levels are being more, so there is no chance to switch on the process of photorespiration. So that's why, my dear students, one point you try to save more and more. Only photorespiration pathway will be started only in the presence of more availability of oxygen. But in C4 plants, so they have a specialized mechanism that increases the carbon dioxide level concentration more. So at the enzyme site. So at the enzyme site, when the carbon dioxide levels all the time being more, so kandipa no chance to the process of photorespiration in C4 plants. I hope you understood this. Okay. Now this takes place when the C4 acid. So this takes place when C4 acid, C4 acid and 4 carbon compound oxaloacetic acid no already we have seen from mesophyll cell is broken down in the bundle sheath cells. Bundle sheath cells. Now here the C4 compound means, so here not oxaloacetic acid, no, malic acid you take. Why? Because actually oxaloacetic acid is a formation we have seen in the, here we have seen in the oxaloacetic acid in a mesophyll cell. Now that one is broken down. Actually here oxaloacetic acid, the disease enters into the bundle sheath cells as malic acid. Once you see the structure C4 cycle, you will understand. Actually, in mesophyll cells, no, oxaloacetic acid is formed, but the oxaloacetic acid now converted into the malic acid. Now it will be enters into the bundle sheath cells as malic acid. So now that particular malic acid, by the process of decarboxylation, one carbon dioxide molecule is released. So that is the point of one. That's why in C4 cycle we learn now there are 2 carboxylation processes and 1 decarboxylation process. In a last video, in end we have seen. I hope you remember that. Okay. Now here in bundle sheath cells, 4 carbon compound is breakdown at the time. So 1 3 carbon compound formation means PEP or pyruvic acid is formed. Pyruvic acid is a 3 carbon compound and 1 carbon dioxide value. So this particular carbon dioxide only involves in the PCR cycle or a C3 cycle or a Calvin cycle. We see now already. So this results increasing the intracellular concentration of CO2. So thereby when the CO2 levels are more or when the CO2 levels are increased more and more in intracellular spaces, so thereby definitely, so because of the more concentration of the CO2, all the time Rubisco enzyme binds only to the carbon dioxide, but no chance to the binds with the oxygen. So thereby, so because of the more availability of carbon dioxide levels in the bundle sheath cells, always Rubisco enzyme will switch on the Calvin cycle. So but there is no chance to the photorespiration. I hope you understood. So thereby here what are the main important points we have to remember means in a C4 plants kandipa no chance, in a C4 plants kandipa no chance to the process of photorespiration, but in a C3 plants so chance is there to the process of photorespiration. So I hope you understood this one. So listen carefully, So that's why in turn this ensures that the Rubisco functions as carboxylase and minimizing the oxygenase activity. Okay, minimizing the oxygenase activity and encouraging the carboxylase activity. So in C4 plants, productivity and yields are better in these plants. So productivity concerned as well as yields concerned. So C4 plants will have a more better than the C3 plants. Information easy only, it depends, entire information depends only on one important point. Suppose if you understand that point, so entire information let them ask for whatever may be that questions in a NEET examination, so very easily you can give under photorespiration. So now here you see there, so now what are the main important points here we are going to take now. So for process of photorespiration, it takes place in 3 cell organelles. Marandavenda is important. The process of photorespiration, it occurs in it occurs between 3 cell organelles. What are those? One is a chloroplast, second one is peroxisomes, and third one is mitochondria. One more time, the process of photorespiration, it takes place in 3 cell organelles. One is chloroplast, second one is peroxisome, and third one is mitochondria. Now let us see, even order also try to by heart it. Chloroplast, peroxisome, mitochondria. Now, in a chloroplast, what is the process now we are going to see is, first of all, RUBP is there, no? Ribulose 1,5-bisphosphate. So ఇది RUBP in the presence of Rubis coenzyme receives the oxygen. Why? Because why it is receives the oxygen means their oxygen levels are more. So at the time here two molecules, one is phosphoglycolate and phosphoglyceric acid is formed. Suppose but here suppose if the carbon dioxide levels are more means two molecules of PGA only should be formed, but here oxygen levels are more, no, at the time RUBP now converted into now formation of phosphoglycolate and phosphoglyceric acid as we have seen before. Now this phosphoglycolate by losing of one inorganic phosphate, glycolate form out. Phosphoglycolate on one phosphate value or one glycolate only, no, is there glycolate. Now this entire reaction takes place in the chloroplast. What is product means glycolate is there, no, in chloroplast. Now that is migrated or enters into the peroxisomes as a glycolate only. Now by receiving of one molecule of oxygen, so now it is converted into glyoxylate. Here one hydrogen peroxide also will come out when oxygen is involved in the reactions, no. So at the time glycolate it is converted into glyoxylate. One oxygen means one H2O2 also it comes out. Okay, now glyoxylate, now it is converted into glycine in the peroxisomes. Now the glycine, as the glycine only, it will be enters into the mitochondria. Okay, now the glycine by losing of one carbon dioxide and NAD plus, now it is reduced to NADH. It is reduced to NADH in the mitochondria. Later the glycine now by losing of one carbon dioxide and by reducing the reactions, so converted into serine in the mitochondria. Now in mitochondria again serine in the serine form itself now enters into the peroxisome. Now one amine form or one NH2 form that will be come out from the serine and involves in the formation of glycine. Now the serine, now it is converted into hydroxypyruvate. It is converted into hydroxypyruvate. Now here the what is the NADH form is, you know, that will be again oxidized into NAD plus. At the time hydroxypyruvate, now it is converted into glycerate. It is converted into glycerate. Now the glycerate, now which is formed in the peroxisomes, enters into the chloroplast as a glycerate only. Now by using of or by utilizing the ATP, now PGA molecule means phosphoglyceric acid is formed. Now this particular PGA now enters into the PCR cycle, to form the RUBP. To form the RUBP. Why here RUBP should be formed to receive the oxygen, no. So likewise by receiving of oxygen in the presence of Rubisco, again two molecules are formation takes place. One is PGA and one more is phosphoglycolate. So means here this particular process when it is going to be taken place in three different types of cell organelles. So there is no ATP formation and there is no NADPH formation. So that's why this one, so this particular photorespiration process we will be taking as wasteful process. Okay, so there is no use of this respiration or there is no use of this photorespiration. Actually respiration means ATP or energy levels should be released or energy forms should be released. But here, even though the process of respiration is going to be taken place in the presence of light, there is no formation of energy forms in the form of ATP or in the form of NADPH. So that's why this photorespiration we will be taking as wasteful process. But which occurs in three cell organelles. One is chloroplast, peroxisomes and mitochondria. Concept maranda venda. If you remember the concept, so here whatever may be that form, let them ask, definitely we can give the answer clearly. Sariya, idi cycle practice paniko or 2 or 3 times. So when you will get the clarity on this one, definitely you will understand the photorespiration clearly. So then you will be in good position in our subject. Thank you and be safe at home.